Hi, welcome to the Daily Devo. I'm Matt, and today we're talking about the Sabbath. What is the Sabbath? We kind of hear about that and we're like, what does this mean? The Sabbath actually means to cease from working. So it actually means don't work. A lot of people equate rest with the Sabbath. And you can rest for sure, but it's much more than that. It's saying, though I have all of this work to do, I'm going to pause, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to worship. We see God even doing this when he created the whole earth, and on the seventh day, he rested. And so a Sabbath is so important for you and I's life because we were never meant to work so hard without resting. And so I love this verse in Exodus chapter 20, verse 8. It says, remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Keep it holy. This is so weird because most people I know don't rest anymore. And what the verse is actually saying is we have to set rest apart. We have to set our Sabbath apart from the rest because that's what holiness means. It means to be set apart. And so I don't know what rest is going to look like in your daily schedule, but choose one day. Say, this one day I'm not going to work. All the other days I'm going to clean around the house. I'm going to prep for the week. I'm going to grocery shop. I'm going to work. I'm going to do my homework. Whatever you have going on in your life, work really, really hard those 6 days. And then choose one day out of the week and rest. Worship God. Take a nap. Have fun. Hang out with your family. Do things you enjoy doing, but stop working and start Sabbathing. Pick a day this week and do it. All right, we'll see you later.